How to change currency on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our currency on Airbnb. It is very easy, you just need to follow some steps, so make sure to watch this video till the end. But before starting, I want you to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, open the Airbnb application onto a device and wait for it to load. After that, I want you to go to your profile here, and here just scroll down a bit. And under settings, on the third option, you see this payments and payouts option. Just tap on that option. After that, at the very top right, you will be able to see a currency sign. Just tap on that. And here you'll get a bunch of options of changing your currency into, like Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, anything. You may just change it accordingly in your Airbnb. So in this way, you can change your currency on Airbnb. Let's say I want to change it into Canadian dollar, just change on Canadian dollar, and you can see my currency has been changed into Canadian dollars. So whenever I try to book hotels in Canada, I will be using my Canadian currency. So in that way, you can change your currency and make it convenient for you to book an Airbnb. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.